You know what blows my mind? The fact that surgeons wake up just like you and me. Similar case, yeah? They go and have brekkie, whatever. They hop in the car. They turn on Smooth FM. They're singing along. Everybody wants to rule. And they're just driving on their merry way to work. And then when they get there, they start slicing human beings open. Ripping flesh apart. There's blood. They've decided, now I need to saw through that bone. And then they stitch the flesh back together. They clock off for the day. They go home, and I'm assuming somebody says to them when they get there, "How was your day, honey?" And then they must answer, same old, nothing new, nothing interesting. And then my question is, are there surgeons out there that wake up in the morning just like I do and go, "Fuck, I really don't feel like going to work today. Another body to slice"?
Such a great question, and I would love to answer it. The thing about surgery is it's fun and exciting. Every person you treat and their ailments are all different. A person that you may not know is coming to you and asking you for help, and they're trusting you with their body to make a cut, to make an incision, and perform a surgical approach and be meticulous about it, go down to the site, identify the problem, and then fix it. In the grand scheme of things, surgery is not that different from fixing a broken computer or identifying a part that's wrong with a car and going in there and changing it out. Yes, the stakes are so much higher because you're dealing with a human life, but the reward of a good result is so gratifying. As a surgeon, you get to save a life or help someone walk again. No two surgeries are ever the same, and you are constantly challenged both physically and mentally on a day-to-day basis. It's a privilege to be a surgeon and for someone to trust you in that way. And waking up at 5 a.m. is just part of the daily routine. I wouldn't change it for the world.